Hello, folks. We want to do a quick update on the markets. The futures are down. The media has been so negative on Trump tariffs. Call it hate, call it whatever. We personally believe that all this media is controlled by Democrats, right? And Democrats hate Trump. Anything that he does is bad for them, anyways, right? We believe that in the long term, it'll be good for America. It's a basic common sense. The other day, we posted a video on Twitter also. We just reposted that. We'll repost that again. But now, having said that, as you can see, the futures are down. There's bloodbath, blah, blah, blah. Let's see how Asia did. Except for Nikkei, there's no bloodbath in Hang Seng. Look at China, minus 0.24. That's it. Nifty was down 1.5%. It came back as if nothing, just like nothing. Okay. Now, let's think common sense, right? Logic. According to us, you don't have to agree to this. We are just telling our opinion. Everybody has their own opinion. In the long term, this will be positive for United States, period. According to us, inflation might come up a bit, but then if the oil prices are controlled and other things, in fact, inflation is directly dependent on government spending. And who was spending last 4 or 5 years? The great Biden government, okay? They were misusing the whole money, as you can see Elon Musk's Doge findings. It's just shameful, utter disgraceful, and all that. Okay. Now, keeping the emotions aside, let's come back to QQQ. Right. As you can see, it had gone up in the last. This is a daily chart, and it is what is it from the May of last year. So it's a 1 year chart. Okay. So it all goes up, all hyped up before the elections, blah blah blah. And then there's a pullback. Now, long story short, I'll keep it very simple, guys. This low needs to break clearly and close below that. We'll make another video once it closes below this convincingly. Okay? Even if it closes, we have some patterns. We'll see. So there is still an element of hope for bulls. Today, April 3rd, and tomorrow, April 4th, will be the big days of the next leg of US markets. Okay. Either bulls have to fight back and turn it back, or bears will win. One or the other has to win, period. So the media is all in anti-Trump, mostly by Democrats, of course. All these websites of Yahoo Finance, CNBC. I mean, I've seen headliners which are like shameful almost, as if he's doing something terrible. And he's just trying to get the jobs back and using just basic common sense, right? According to us, again, right? So, yeah, there'll be some pain. Some pain in the short term and gains in the long term is a million times better than spending. Okay? That's our take. And yeah, so you're welcome to have your own opinions. We just shared our opinions, right? If you don't like what we do, what we tell, what to give value to you, you guys are welcome to, don't follow us. But anyways, keeping the emotions aside, as I said, first step is it has to close below, 455, let's say. Then we'll talk first, okay? And yeah, that is the first step. I don't have a crystal ball. Let's see where it is right now, okay? 458, okay? So Yeah, the recent low seems to be around that range, Perfect. Our patterns are working like charm. For me, it is no surprise that they're opening up at the rock bottom. In fact, I missed the trade. It is a beautiful trade. I should have thought through this. Exactly where our patterns indicate is where it's opening up. Basically, this was a low. They took it, bulls fought back 2 days, took all the high here, took it to here. Now they're opening up here. Now, will it break down further? Is $1 million question. I don't know the answer for that. Okay, only the big guys, and I don't have a crystal ball. As I said, bulls and bears have to fight it out today and see who wins. The next 2 days is everything for the short term, right? So we'll see how it goes. That's the update, folks. Again, our disclaimer is we are not financial advisors. You guys manage your risk. We are providing out this with what we know, our patterns, and for educational purposes. Okay, you manage your risk, and please consult your financial advisors. Okay, if you find value with this video, please like, and please share with your folks, friends and family, right? Thanks. Have a nice day. God bless. Right. Bye.